Welcome back, everyone. Today's episode is a little different. Kazumi and I will be given a little history lesson of Koriyama. This will be done by some very special guests. We're at Big Eye and we're having a tour with some lovely ladies, and they're called the Clovers. They do a walking tour here in Koriyama and we're their guests today, so please enjoy.
We hope you enjoyed it with us.
Oh, thank you. Here is a rundown of our special tour today. First, we will explore the Big Eye.
Then we are going along Frontier Street, and we are visiting Nihonji Temple. Then we are taking tea ceremony. We are having a tea ceremony at the 21st Century Park.
Okay.
Yes. Then we lastly we are having a lunch at the cafe in 20th Century Park.
Now, let's talk a little bit more about the Big Eye.
The landmark building in Koriyama City. Yes, and it's 133 meters and 24 story high.
Oh,
yes, yes, and there is a planetarium on the 24th floor. This is planetarium.
Oh.
Yes. And this planetarium is listed in the Guinness Book of Records as the highest planetarium in the world.
Oh.
And you can enjoy shopping. There are some restaurants and shops and high school in here, and Citizen Plaza in this building. So you can enjoy eating and shopping.
This lovely view, people, is Koriyama. This is a miniature model of Koriyama at different time periods in Japan's history. This is old-time Koriyama.
18th century.
Oh, so it's like changing.
Meiji era is 19th century. Wow, there's a train.
Oh, the train moves. This is Koriyama now. Woo! The Shinkansen. Okay, we're going to the next place now. So, see you guys in a few. This is Frontier Street in Koriyama. There are two prominent statues that were made by artists from Koriyama. Both artists apparently have lived very long lives.
Kitamura died when he was 104.
Yes.
Okay, so question. He died when he was 104. And now, Ima, he is 102.
Yes.
So he has 2 more years left.
In Koriyama, there's a well-known lake called Lake Inoshiro, and there are also quite a few waterfalls. It is very beautiful. Some of that beautiful nature can also be seen in the center of the city itself. We're at a lovely little, well, it looks like a waterfall, but it's like a really small one in the city. And it's connected to an elementary school, which was the first elementary school ever in Koriyama. For him. This is nice. There are lots of fountains in Koriyama, like the one behind us. And it's connected to Lake Inoshiro, and Lake Inoshiro flows into these different fountains that are found here in Koriyama. Koriyama also has its own national symbols: a bird, a tree, and a flower.
All three is a symbol of Koriyama. So the bird is Nani?
Cuckoo.
The bird is cuckoo. It's Koriyama's bird.
The tree is wild cherry.
And this is wild cherry.
And this is small white iris.
That's iris.
Small white iris.
So it's like the flower, the bird, the flower, and the tree. National symbols. Like, you know, in Jamaica you have like the Dr. Bird and the Blue Maho and the Lignum Pisces. So it's the same thing.
Housewife makes designed.
It's a housewife designed
lived in Koriyama City.
Designed these?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
1989. She designed.
Okay, 1989.
This is Nyoji Temple. It is a Buddhist temple. We also learned a little about the statues at Nyoji Temple.
The statue has closed mouth. Closed mouth says which means end or this.
Oh.
Statue has open mouth. Open mouth says which means beginning and birth. This statue for the old Indian weapon
Okay.
because Buddhism came from India
Okay, yes.
in 6th century.
Hi.
Beautiful.
Very beautiful. It looks difficult to do.
So real.
Of the dragon?
Yeah, the eyes like it's following you.
怖いね。Prayer is an important part of the Buddhist religion. So now I'm being shown how to pray.
Put some money. Throw some money. Don't put in. Then ring a bell. Then ring a bell. Join your heart and pray. Lastly, make a formal goal. That's all. I did it.
Nice.
We also visited Ayamaso. It is the only public tea ceremony house in Koriyama.
You should go each year. It's it means once in a lifetime experience.
Yes.
So when you are invited to drink tea, you should think of it as a once in a lifetime experience. That means that you'll never get to experience this another time again.
Okay.
I'm a good student. Tea ceremony. Tea ceremony. Drinking is not about just drinking tea. It's about, from what I understand, relaxing.
Relaxing.
Like just enjoying the quiet and the peacefulness and the hospitality right of the host, the person who invited you to drink it.
Once samurai had a tea to relieve his fatigue and to get the peaceful mind.
Peaceful mind.
Yes.
Okay. So it's
Oh.
Tea ceremony is Japan. Tea ceremony is tradition hospitality.
Traditional hospitality.
Yes.
Okay.
In
Japan. In Japan.
Yes, in Japan.
Okay.
Omotenashi.
Yeah, I remember omotenashi. Japanese hospitality.
It's pride of Japan.
Okay, thank you. It was such a fun day hanging with the Clovers. But that's it for us today. Please join us next time for Let's Vlog Japan. Thank you for watching. Please click that like button and subscribe for more videos.